Hey, well, welcome to the channel. It's Thursday morning, probably about 7 o'clock. And I wanted to get out and walk around a little bit this morning, and unbeknownst to me, as soon as I start getting out of the house, sure enough, it starts coming down raining, which is not uncommon for this time of year. It can rain just about any time, but we're going to start out on Muang Road, Lane 1, and kind of walk through the back streets and alleys back here. I don't think there'll be too many people out moving around today, or at least this morning until it stops raining, but fortunately I carried an umbrella with me, so I'll be okay. Woo, there goes the wind, there goes the umbrella. This is going to be fun. But wasn't expecting this morning for some reason. Boy, this is going to be a trip. But things are looking up here. You know, if you're considering coming, now's a good time to come. You know, the restrictions are, you know, they're just going to make you take a PCR test when you get off the plane. And if you check yourself before you get on and be careful, you know, use the extra precautions while you're traveling, you know, you'll be fine. But the weather's great, you know, it's nice and cool and air's nice and fresh. It's really a good time to come. But we'll walk around and see what's going on this morning. People here getting their food. Swadee Kap. Hello. I can smell that food. It smells great. Happy Soy One. Now, I did a video here at night one time, I think. I'm pretty sure. But most of the places will be closed. It's so early in the morning. Everybody getting out and getting their food. Oh, there's a little kitty there. So we're going to walk down to the end of the road and go left. You can hear the rain hitting that tin. I'll be lucky if I make it back to the car without getting soaked. This is going to be fun. I should invest in a good umbrella. Whoa, there goes my hat. Got to keep my hat on. Woo, we're going to have a good storm. Oop, there goes my hat again. This time it went under a motorcycle. Oh. Whew. Oh, wow, they're digging this up. That's good. We don't have to go that way. We're going to go this way. Even the monks are out this early in the morning. Let me shut this off. I've got a rain spot on here I'm going to have to wipe off. There we go. Whew. Things have been relatively calm here. I don't have any good bullshit stories to tell you. Well, I guess I got one, and it's not really all that interesting, but one of the high-ranking DSI investigators out of Bangkok got arrested. It was a couple days ago, I think, and it showed a picture of him on TV. He refused to let them take him into custody, or he tried to, and they ended up snatching him up and taking him in. But he said that he was innocent and he had a right not to be escorted to jail or anything like that. Big fiasco. And DSI is the it's the investigators in Thailand that basically go after the big criminals. And apparently what he had done, and him and another officer had gone to work for a collected debts for online gambling, and they'd abducted a couple and extorted a bunch of money from them. And so they blistered him. We'll see what happens. We probably will never hear much about it anymore after the fanfare is done, but let's see what happens. The government really seems to be cracking down on corruption now. After this guy Joe Ferrari got nailed for killing that prisoner, they're taking a better approach to corruption here, and you know, it's just it's time. And I'm gonna analyze the law enforcement here and compare it to what we have in the States, and tell you the differences, and kind of explain why there's such a big difference in the type of law enforcement that they do here, and give you my perspective of it. And I'm going to do that in an upcoming video. I've got another water drop, so I'm going to shut this off. I will start back again. One thing I'll advise you, if you're coming to Thailand and you're going to be out walking around traveling just about any time of the year, stop at the 7-Eleven and buy you one of those plastic raincoats, and just keep it in your back pocket, even if the sun is shining real good, because you never know when it's going to start raining here. And there's nothing worse than getting caught out in the rain and not having a raincoat or not having an umbrella. It's really it's not pleasant. And they're only about 30 baht. Usually what I do is I'll carry one with me and on the bike, and I'll wear it, and then after I'm done with it, I'll just throw it away, because they're, you know, they're nasty to fold up and try to dry out and use again, unless you get a real expensive one. You know, maybe pay 300 or 400 baht for it. We've done that before too, and ended up throwing those away. Oh, that's pretty neat. Umbrellas. And we're gonna go up here and we're gonna make a right. See where we end up. But this time of the year, you never know when it's going to start raining. Ex-inmate employment center, Leela Thai massage. Huh. So I guess after they go through the training through the ladies' prison, they can come here and get a job. Now, I don't think that's where I want to go. No, it isn't. Oh, that's a neat little shop. I love getting out walking early in the morning. It's kind of like seeing the city wake up. And more so in Bangkok than here. Bangkok, you know, I love to get out real early in the morning. There goes my umbrella messing up again. It's real windy this morning. Body cap. Now we'll hang a right here. And then make another right. And that should bring us out on Soi 2. This umbrella thing is not working out well. You get under here and shut this off and wipe the camera down again. Whew. All right, we'll get started again. I think I might want to go this way. I'm pretty sure this will bring me back up on Soi 2. If I'm not mistaken. Slumber party, hostel and bar. Wow, that's a big place. But yeah, I've got a few friends and things that had been sitting back and waiting for the coast to clear before they came, and they've come and they didn't have any problems getting in. I've got one friend that's down in Ho Hin now, and he had no problems getting his flight, and they're not. Yeah, see, this would normally take us around right back to Soi 2, but I'm not going to walk that way because they're fixing the road. I'll go to the left here, and that'll take me out right back out to Soi 2. There we go. I'll get you a good selfie here. Whew, damn. But and there, for a while there, we had a lot of problems with the airlines canceling flights within the country, and that doesn't seem to be happening now either. So you can pretty much travel freely throughout the country, and there's no restrictions at all. Once you get here and you're off the plane, you're to your hotel, and you get through your first PCR test off the plane, and then you do your one 5 days later, you're home free. Now, how are we going to get through here? I may have to walk through this shit. We're not going to get that way. I think we'll go back the other way. So I'm not going to try to jump that. You land on something like that, and you're going to be speared, and I'm not going to take the chance on it. We'll go down here and go to the left and try it that way. I'll watch him see how he does it. He might jump it. No shoes on. Whew. Yeah, I guess I can try that. Here we go. Yeah, that's okay. That could really put a hurting on somebody. I'd hate to be drunk coming home at night and fall in there. But that's Thai safety for you. Good place to eat breakfast is right there at Chiang Mai Breakfast World. Feels like the rain's kind of let up a little bit. Yeah, I got some more water spots. Let me shut this thing off. Okay, we're back. And here comes the rain. We might end up getting wet. Another little place, huh? For rent for sale. Huh. Gasoline, 95, 40 baht a shot. Now that's probably 40 baht a liter. I'm really kind of fortunate. It could be raining a lot harder than it is. And I don't care, umbrella, raincoat, or whatever, you're going to get soaked. But this is just a sporadic spurt every now and then. So it's not too bad. What's murder is being out on the motorcycle and running into on something like this, totally unprepared, and you're basically stuck. All right, now we've finished Soi 2 back out on the main road. So I think we'll take a right here. You know, the rain doesn't slow people down. They've still got to go to work. They've still got to get out and get their food and do their normal routine. So you can get across the street here. It might be a little bit better. Get the cover of these trees a little bit. Yeah, it's got a pretty good rain coming. Oop, there goes the umbrella again. Take this thing and throw it in the trash when I'm done. We'll walk back down this way. There's Mad Dog's. We came by Mad Dog's Sunday and it was closed. But I came by again on Monday and it was back open again. So they may shut down on Sundays now. I'm not sure. I don't think they did before. But they're still open and going strong. And they've been around ever since I've been here anyway. And the food's pretty good. I've eaten in there a couple times. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. They're gearing up for Songkran here. You know, the people are starting to come, and you know they'll kind of trickle in between now and the 13th or 14th. And I don't know what they're going to have. They've got some things set up at the night bazaar that they advertise. So there'll be some kind of a celebration here. I don't know about the water throwing, whether they're going to let that happen or not, and we'll probably see that day. I would venture to say around Loy Crow and places like that, whether they say you can do it or not, they're going to do it anyway. So, you know, if you're coming through there, you're probably going to get wet. Yeah, it's coming down good now. Whew. Guys out jogging. Don't believe I'm not not even close to being that hardcore. Well, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to head back to the car and go someplace where it's dry and maybe get some breakfast and go back home and relax for the afternoon. We've got a concert that we're going to tonight. Looks like we got back to the car just in time.